friends, Running Kimono here. We have a midweek video. We have Walgreens, we have Dollar General, and Home Depot with paper 75% off. So we are definitely going to go to the last two stores at the end of the video, but we are starting off strong with Walgreens. So the first piece of business is this. In the flyer, there was a coupon code valid from the 23rd, which is today, Wednesday the 23rd, till the 25th, which is Friday. So you have a window of 2 days. You can get a free 8x10 photo using the code GETYOURPRINT. It's one per account. When you go and pick up your photo in store, a lot of us get the 5 back when you spend 15. You have to punch in your phone number, and this typically prints. If it doesn't print, sorry, always a year mileage may vary. But starting out this video strong, we're going to do a couple different deals with this specific booster, the 5 back when you spend 15. So this first deal, we're going to be grabbing 3 of these body washes at $7 a pop. I have a $3 digital coupon. I can't give you guys a screenshot of it because I can't find it in the app, but it's there. And the promotion with this is when you spend 20, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. And we're pairing it with the spend 15, earn back 5 as well. Over on IBOTTA, these are 22 fluid ounce bottles. When you buy 2 of them, you're getting $4 back, so you desperately need that receipt. We're doing this one in store. Double, triple check that you have the same rebate as I as well, because you don't want to do the deal if you don't have the IBOTTA rebate. Really basic deal, grabbing 3 of these for $21. That digital coupon will come off. You're going to get the cashier to scan your booster. You're going to pay $18 with your debit card. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash plus a $5 register reward. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $4 back. It makes it $4 for the 3 or $1.33 per body wash. You have to use your debit card to pay off the balance as you're using the spend booster of spend 15 to earn back 5. But what a spectacular deal for some very cheap OLAY body wash. If you're more into the fancier OLAY body wash, we're going to use this booster again, but in a different deal. So for this one, we're going to be looking for the premium line of the OLAY body wash at $11 each. So these fancier ones. Now for this deal, we're only going to be grabbing 2 of them. And again, that $3 coupon that I talk about, but I can't exactly show you guys, is applying to one of these. And then also we have a 5 back when you buy 2 of these on IBOTTA. Make sure you have this one on your account before you do the deal. Grabbing 2 of these premium body washes for $22, subtracting that digital coupon, get the cashier to scan the booster for you, the 5 back when you spend 15. With your debit card, you're going to spend $19. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash, a $5 register reward, and then $5 back from IBOTTA. So it makes it $4 for the 2 or $2 per premium body wash. Remember, for the balance of $19, you got to pay with your debit card as you're using a spend booster. So as of Tuesday, July the 22nd, first thing in the morning, people on Instagram were saying, hey, that $3 register reward for this promotion for the Dove body wash is not printing. Is it going to start printing later in the week? I don't know. So what I'm going to ask is a huge favor in the comments down below if you could possibly share if it's working and where you're living. So say you're in Maine, noon on a Wednesday, yes, it is printing, or it's not. And just share your location. I'm wondering if it has to do with the West Coast, because there's been problems in California where things are just not printing properly. So if you could share your location and time and let us know, and then read the comments down below, should I do this deal, yes or no, just to make sure you have the optimum success. Now this deal is still working on the Dove shampoo. It's $5. $5 reward when you purchase 2 of them. And on Sunday, a lot of us got this gift, which is a 5 off 2 digital coupon. Please make sure you have it loaded. To answer a quick question, digital coupons are of a one-time use, the manufacturer ones. So it's a one and done for this one. Grabbing 2 of these shampoos, it's $10. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $5 register reward, essentially making it completely free. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use $5 in Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. Another super deal that we have for very inexpensive Garnier shampoo this week is on the Fructis and the Whole Blends. $3.99, $4 reward when you buy two. Plus, we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Unfortunately, the IBOTTA rebate is for the much larger bottle, so it won't attach. But grabbing two of these shampoos, it's $7.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $4.98. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 98 cents for the two or 49 cents per shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And remember, guys, if you're doing both the Whole Blends and the Fructis, two separate transactions, because that $4 register reward will only print once per transaction. Let's not forget this deal for the free Colgate this week. You're going to grab one brush and one paste at $4 a pop. $4 register reward when you purchase two. And they must have thought it was Christmas or something, because we got $2 digitals on both a paste and a brush on Sunday. So make sure you have both of those loaded. So grabbing one of each, it's going to be $8. Subtracting $4 in digital coupons, you'll pay $4. Get back a $4 register reward, essentially making it free. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but I love free dental care. Now, this deal, I know a lot of you scored it, some of you didn't. I think the best thing to do is open up the app and see, is it buy one, get one free for some of these shoebox cards? Because some shoeboxes are part of it, some shoeboxes are not part of it. And the buy two, get $5. If it's not tagged at your store, I probably wouldn't do it. And I know a lot of people on the West Coast specifically are having issues with this. And just like this Dwight from The Office, scan it, and if it's showing buy one, get one free, I'm pretty sure that's how it's going to ring up at the register. But keep an eye out for that, especially if you're on the West Coast, because I know a lot of shoppers in that area having issues. Now, for curbside pickups, if you missed the video I made on Tuesday, lots of these Burt's Bees lip shimmers, which are almost $5, are on clearance for 99 cents. I believe that's an online price only, in the following colors: apricot, cherry, and grapefruit. These are all really gorgeous colors. If you're going to put in a quick curbside deal for some stuff this week, I would definitely throw these in if your store might have them, because this is one item that a lot of us, if you are into lip products, I know a lot of us are, these are staples, and Burt's Bees is a great company, maybe one of my favorites for makeup in the drugstore. Also this week, we have a buy one, get two for free on the Walgreens medium and small bags. And so basically it's $4.99 for the first. Two are free. It shakes it out to $1.66 per. If you have animals like cats, you know the value of this. And then if you're a home cook, we have the buy one, get two for free on the Walgreens freezer bags. We have various sizes from sandwich to these gallon ones. So it basically makes it 93 cents per box of 20. That is a lot cheaper than Dollar Tree and a fantastic deal. Okay, and now we are at Dollar General, and I want to give a special shout out and thank you to two YouTubers, Christie's Connections and her team, and Easy Penny Shopping. I believe on Monday they released the information that a lot of wall art pennied out, and it's kind of a bizarro list. It's not everything, but it's a lot of stuff. I did not go too hard on this because I have a lack of room missing. But if you scan one of these barcodes in store with the Dollar General app and it's ringing up 0.00 at the register, it should be a penny. And a lot of this was a surprise list. A lot of managers had no idea. So a lot of us scored big. So I'm just going to show you like a couple of like visuals of what I got. Some of this stuff, guys, was so big. I mean, I didn't even know how I would fit it in my little clown car. So I'm like, I have to just leave it at the store. Like they had larger, like a print in the center with a bunch of like you could put family photos in. And they were so large. I just had to leave that at the store. Somebody else can get it for a penny. This little cow, I don't know what it is. It seems like everybody is absolutely in love with this cow. They either couldn't find it in the store, and for $12, I think other shoppers were just paying for it. But I don't know. Everybody loves this cow. And this is the key thing that I was looking for when I was out on Monday. This company called Willow Springs Home Decor, just to show you a couple UPCs, what it looks like. And a lot of these prints that look, almost like a Renaissance, like arched frame for both the cow and flowers. This is what the back looked like. So just open up that app, scan it. Is it ringing up 0.00? They have to sell it to you for a penny, and always leave these sections super clean, better than when you arrived. I went to a store today and somebody just completely destroyed it, so I actually took 20 minutes to tidy it up. I didn't find a thing. They found everything, but man, they left it in a huge mess. This is absolutely adorable. Wash, dry, fold. I love this. I think it's just, I don't know, just cute. And for 1 penny, why not? So cute. And so there were some exceptions that weren't Willow Springs. This is another one that I found really interesting. It just says renew. So you go to the bathroom and renew yourself. Obviously, if you wanted to donate this to Habitat for Humanity, or like, like some sort of restore that sells things really cheap, or wherever you want to donate it. Having a picture of a bathroom in my bathroom is just a style I'm not doing yet. But I know a lot of people might really enjoy it, and actually had a glass frame on that. So even if you wanted to pull the art out and repurpose it, a lot of crafty people out there can do that. This was like to put a cookbook on, and it would like arch out. Really, really adorable. I gave one to a cashier, and then I kept one. I thought I gave both of them away, but I was shocked to see that this was a penny. I know that some people were finding like dry erase boards, and it's called a cookbook holder with a paddle. So 1 penny. And I found that kind of like with the picture frames, and I just scanned it for fun. And then I also found this, which was absolutely adorable, to throw in your kitchen. Maybe you could put little keys or cloths or kitchen dish rags or something like that. But this is so cute. I found 3 of these at one store. And again, I only went to 2 stores, and then I just called it because I'm like, I don't have room for a ton of this stuff. And I already donated like, I think 10 of it, and I gave 1 to a cashier. So I only kept a handful, but I was very grateful for what I found, and I wish you guys good luck. A lot of people are still finding these in the store.
All of these right here. Penny. How many are there? There's a bunch. This orange one.
I did go penny shopping around noon. Usually people are like 8 a.m. right away. This is called Juicy Juice Orange Tangerine. Doesn't expire till October, and you guessed it, a penny. And I think I found like 6 or 8 at the store. And here's the UPC. Sorry, it's not very clear. It's just kind of a curved tag, but they all rang up, and I found it in a regular aisle. So even if it's not in the clearance section, busy stores, they don't pull everything. So that's possibly where you're going to find some of this gold. Last store that we have is the Home Depot. Some stores, a lot of the paper products and P&G products that have been on clearance at 50% off went $75 today, including this Charmin Essential 18 count in soft and strong. So you might want to go to your Home Depot or look it up online, and then look at the clearance price through the regular website. You can do that. You just have to press, when it says clearance price. So it was $9.50 last week, and now it's $4.80. So that is 75% off for these 18 counters. And it wasn't my day. Somebody cleared the store, and I looked on the sky shelves, which are the top tippy top shelves. Nothing. And then for $5.30 for these paper towels, I left them all there because I got a bunch at Office Depot, and I have the Scott, and I'm fine with that. So I just left them for the next shopper. Remember, we also have the Mr. Clean and other things. I made a video of a bunch of clearance I found at Home Depot. You might want to check it out. I'll link it at the very end. And that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and good luck with your shopping. Bye, guys.